What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Black Capino the Apple Guy, and today I'm going to be doing just a quick review on my new lens. This is the Panasonic Lumix 25mm 1.7 aperture lens. This actually will be going with my Panasonic Lumix G7, and just kind of give you a quick brief description as to why you'd want to get this, or why this should be your next lens that you buy for your Panasonic. Now, I'm not a big expert on lenses, as this is my first actual camera, opposed to using GoPros, which everyone knows who subscribes to my channel, and for those of you that are new, that I've always used GoPros for pretty much my entire YouTube channel. So this is actually the first camera that I've actually bought, that I'm actually using and still learning along the way. So one of the reasons why you would want to use a 25mm lens as opposed to the 14 or 42mm lens is it's kind of more like a YouTube, it's more of a closer vlogging style, as opposed to just when I'm sitting in front of the camera and just talking and vlogging. This way, as you can see, you can get more of a more exposed background. Now with the 25mm, it's more focused on you in a way, if that makes sense. What I'll do basically is, and I'll just kind of show you the differences between the 25mm lens versus the 14 to 42, which is the standard lens kit that comes with the G7. So as you're looking at me right now, I am using the standard kit lens, which is the 14 to 42mm. So as you can see with the background behind me, it's not blurred, it's all full exposure. So basically with the 25mm, it's more up close, so it's more focused on you or the object in front of the camera, and the background is blurred, which for most vloggers is actually kind of an added bonus. It's something that I actually like to do myself, and with my GoPros it was a little bit difficult to do that in certain situations, especially when it came to doing any type of personal vlogging, where it was just I wanted to focus on me as opposed to the background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap out my lenses, and then we're going to get right back into the video. So I'm going to swap out into that right now, and then we're going to get right back into it. Now, as you can see, I am now using the 25mm lens. So notice how the background is a little bit more shrunk in, and it's a little bit more blurred in the background. That is basically what the 25mm lens will do for you, is it will kind of more focus on you as opposed to the background. So if you kind of want that kind of blurry effect where you get that perfect picture where you focus on the object and have everything around it blurred, the 25mm lens is a perfect fit for the G7. It's about $150, and I will have a link in the description on where you can get that, as well as where you can get the G7 with the camera kit lens as well. As I said before in my other previous videos, for the price and what you get for this and the lens options that you get, it's actually a pretty good price combo. Like I said before, the camera itself is about $500, and to get the 25mm lens, it's about $150. So you're looking at about $160, as opposed to buying a full-fledged camera that'll cost you about that much on its own, and then to buy a separate lens on top of that. Basically, as you can see, this is what you get for the type of quality that you would get with the 25mm. As you can see, again, it's more focused on me, focal pointed on me. And obviously, you still have to manually focus if you want to get any type of focus on you. It's not it takes it a bit for it to actually focus on you, but if you use the shutter button and press it sort of halfway in, that focus is really quick. I actually had to do that right as I was replacing my lens and putting this on before I even hit the record button. It was taking a little long for it to focus me in focus, but once I slapped down once I hit the shutter button on it, boom, pretty quick. Focused on me, hit that record button, and as you can see, this is what you get with the 25mm lens. So I just want to thank everybody for watching this quick review, and if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, hit that subscription button, hit the bell notification, that way you will never miss my content when I drop it. And as always, I will drop my content once every other Thursday, because I do work full-time, so it takes me about a week or so to get my videos done, edited, and I usually figure Thursdays are much easier because it's about the middle of the week, closer to the weekend. So thanks everybody, and I just want to give everybody a heads up that I will be busy for the next couple of weeks. I'll be attending a convention called VidCon. So for those of you who may or may not know what VidCon is, it's basically a convention for people like myself, and for those who are watching my videos who love video making, or who love to watch videos, whether it's YouTube or Instagram or Twitch or live.me or YouNow, pretty much anything that deals with video online content. That's basically what this convention is for. It's basically for people who are looking to want to start into YouTubing or in the social media platforms, or people who want to meet other YouTubers like-minded such as themselves. And you can also meet a lot of different creators that also attend, who have their own YouTube channels that you can actually meet. It's called Greet and Meet, or Meet and Greet Lottos. I actually met quite a few famous YouTubers I've met as well. But I just wanted to thank everybody and have a great day. And again, don't forget to hit the subscription button, hit the thumbs up if this video is helpful, and hit the bell notification that we never miss content. And have a good one.